Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Thailand. I gotta tell you, we had an overcast about an hour ago. It's looking nice now. The sun's coming out, burning off, and it's nice and cool. Beautiful day here in Pattaya, Thailand. Traders, let's get started. Good to be back at the charts, and I just have to put out a message or a shout. Thank you so much for all the condolences that I received of the passing of my father last weekend. So I have not been in the market since Thursday. I have to tell you, I received over 100 condolences. Thank you so much. It's really, really a good feeling, and thanks again. All right, let's get to it. We take a look at the charts. Like I said, I have not been in the markets, so let's take a look at what's going on. Apparently, had some data today come out. We had NZIER business confidence out of the Kiwi earlier today. And what do we have coming up? ANZ job advertisements, that's no big deal. RBA interest rate decision comes out today. Wow, that's going to be 12:30, which is really 23:30 on Wall Street. It's currently now 7:10, which means it's 2010 on Wall Street as we speak. So that'll be interesting. That'll move the markets one way or the other, at least a little couple of pips. We'll keep an eye on that. We're not expecting anything out of that statement or decision or anything. They're not going to do nothing, okay? All right, what do we got into the Euro session? We got German retail sales month on month, year on year today. Spain has Spanish unemployment change today. I just really like watching Spain. They've really done amazing in the last 4 years. You know, they were broke. They came back around. They took care of business. Really proud of Spain. So I always watch their numbers. German manufacturing PMI today. And manufacturing PMI out of the euro today. Manufacturing PMI out of the pound today. Red Book out of the U.S., which doesn't ever do anything. You got an FOMC member yakking today. Talking away, as they do. Let's see if there's anything early in tomorrow that we need to be aware of. We have retail sales out of Australia tomorrow. Of course, we'll have that before. We'll be on before that. So that's not of any interest. Let's take a look. Where's our dollar index at? Ooh, 89.72. Can't break that 90 level. But it's not Friday yet. I was hoping for 91 on Friday. Okay, we're going to move that another week. That's not going to happen. So that's what's going on there. We'll just take a real quick look at what's going on. WTI crude has come down. So that is at 63.13. Brent is at 67.77. However, they're both staying above that 60 mark. I still say it's going to 70, folks. I just think it's going to 70. And we'll see. Maybe for the summer, right? They always up the oil for the summer. And that's about it as far as that goes. Let's get to the charts. Let's get started. Like I said, I'm a little rusty today, so we'll try to do our best. We will try to do our best, my friends. All right, so this is the pound yen that I was looking at, and I got to tell you, I like this trade here on this pound yen. We want to sell it, right? You can see spatial intelligence. This is to the downside. We want to see this get up to this 200 exponential moving average, and we can take this to the downside. I think that's probably the best bet there. Why is that arrow so small? What a tiny little arrow that is. What's up with that? All right. All right. You want to play with me? We can play. If you must, we will. No, let's go this way. No, let's go that way. Oh, let's go this way. Oh, my goodness. Can you believe that? Okay, that looks really bad. Really, really bad. There we go. We want this to go down about 149.30 area. We'd love to see that head to the downside. I got to tell you, these EMAs, angle and separation is really well to the downside. This might not do anything, right? This just might just head on down, and, we'll see. We'll see. But that was a pretty nice drop there. We'd like to see this pull back. Listen, the 55 might give you a shot also. You might get a shot on that 55 EMA. And I got to tell you, I can't stand that. I do not like that. So we'll stay with the small one. I'm okay with that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, we'll stay with the small one. I'm okay with that. All right, there we go. So we'll look for this pullback. You know, I might pull back to this 55, this teal line on the chart. I might just pull back to that 55 EMA and do a bang from there. A lot of junk left to the chart, right, traders? A lot of junk left to the chart, so keep an eye on that. While we're on the pound, we might as well just take a look at the pound dollar. Not a thing. Just sideways, ugly, nothing to do here, folks. If you wanted to do something, you can fib this complete swing and see what you can come up with here. But I don't see, you know, we take this fib from here. We'll just take it all the way down to, where's our bottom here? There you go. Right, we'll take it back down there. So, again, we're looking at this too. I don't even like that. I got to be real honest with you. At a minimum, we're going to have to come back up to, I'd like to see it at the 618. But looks like the 50 is going to be the winner today. So maybe we get this up to the 50% fib and we can sell it. But I'm not doing nothing here. This just looks like this is just going to just go sideways until something happens, and maybe it'll continue to drop. But I see a pullback here at some point. So nothing to do. Now, realize, why is it sideways? Because the dollar index isn't doing anything. It's really not moving, right? So it's just going to head sideways. That's okay. What's going on, my good friend, the New Zealand dollar? What's happened with my friend, the New Zealand dollar, the cash cow? Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at these EMAs. Bam, to the downside, right? So, again, nothing to do here. Wow, this looks like this is going to be a day of waiting and watching paint dry. We need this to come back up, folks. We're not going to do anything here. Look, you're coming into support here, right? So where's my little line here? There. So you're coming into this, right? You're coming into this support here, right? There's support there. And then we're going to get whacked again with another one. Here's another level, right? There we go. There's another level right there. Right? You don't want to do nothing here. There's nothing to do here. So just let this thing just move on. Let it move on. There's nothing to do there. So yeah. Get rid of those. And yeah, so this looks like a pullback and we can sell it. Pullback and we can sell it. We can take a look at the euro. You know, again, just ugly, 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 right? Come on, come on. What is going on with this today? There we go. Yeah, we can take our arrow here, right? And again, you know, up to this is a fine thing. But, you know, if you sell it here at that 23.30 level, you look left of the chart. It's a disaster. Don't like it. I don't like that at all. Right? Gonna have to fib it. Gonna have to fib it. It's the only thing I can say. We've got to fib it. So, yeah, let's come back up to here. There we go. You know, at that 23.50 area, 50s, you know I like my 50s. 23.50 will take this to the downside. I know it's a long ways away, right? We're only, you know, that's 56 pips away, 54 pips away. I understand that. But you look left of this chart, we're going to get beat up, right? You're going to get beat up. The only other thing that's going to happen is this is going to drop like a rock, and then, of course, we'll get a new resistance level. We can analyze another trade. But for today, I'm looking for this to come back up to that 23.50 area, and we'll sell it. I don't want to do nothing here. This is really, really ugly right at the moment. And, you know, we've had a 4-day weekend, right? Friday, U.S. was closed. Yesterday, London, Europe was closed. You know, what are you going to do? There's nothing to do, right? All right, what else are we going to take a look at? Let's, yeah, Aussie dollar? Sure, why not? Well, apparently, it doesn't like that. Wow, can you tell it's my first day back? All right, let's take a look at this. This Doesn't look bad. Really, this isn't a bad thing here. Let's get this up to this 200. Listen, this is the best one. This is the best one we've seen so far, right? Absolutely the best one we've seen so far. Let's see if we can get that up to that 76, 80, 85 area at the 200 exponential moving average, and we'll take it to the downside. To me, that looks like the best trade so far today, and we'll see what happens. Well, we got that interest rate decision coming out in about 3.5 hours, so nothing to do till after that happens. But who knows? We'll see. Maybe it'll give us some good data, and we'll pop it up to that, and we can sell it for London Open, maybe London lunch. We can sell it. Traders, that's it for today. We're gonna take a look at the ugly or the pretty. I'd say it's probably foggy. And I was right, it's foggy. Look at this. Just look at this, my friends. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Boom. All right? Could we talk about a range here? There we go. We've got a range here. Nothing to do on the old dollar index. It's just sitting there. Like I said, maybe we can get to 90.50 by Friday, but doesn't look like it. Does not look like it. I'll be glad if it closes Friday above 90. That'd be nice, but yeah, just range bound on that one. All right, that's it. Traders, thanks for being with me, and we'll catch you tomorrow morning in Asia. Traders, always remember, trade smart, not hard. Catch you next time. Have a great trading day. Bye-bye, my friends. See you now.